Our powder filling technology stands out, safeguarding the accuracy of the dose and avoiding damage to the product during the filling process. Our cost-effective volumetric dosing systems will provide superior results, and the modular construction allows for scale-up at your convenience. The principle is simple. Let us start with the semi-automatic 4400 VC model. A semi-skilled operator will use a filling gun with predefined chamber size to dose appropriate amount of powder to the desired container. This technology will allow you to dose up to 4,000 fills in a single shift. We also offer a free product evaluation in our laboratory. Very close volume to weight relation allows for a precise and consistent dose. The 4400 VC is a plug-and-play type of equipment. Firstly, install line filter on the back of the system, and then the jumper cable. Next, connect the foot switch cable and the power cord. With selected filling gun, turn the gun's micrometer screw to set the desired filling volume. Finally, connect the vacuum pressure line between fine filter and the filling gun. Once all set, flip the power switch at the front of the console on. The instant vacuum flows through the gun, ready to pick up the powder. Dip the open end of the filling gun in the product within the product trough. Assure the filling gun is fully submerged within the powder but does not touch the bottom of the product trough. With slow round motion, allow the vacuum to pick up the powder and fill in the chamber within the filling gun. This will compact the product at uniform density. Use the product trough screen to doctor off the excess powder at the top of the filling gun. This ensures consistent fill volume. Insert the tip of the filling gun into the mouth of the container and press the foot switch or the dose button on the console. The vacuum will change from negative to a gentle positive pressure to discharge the powder in an accurate, dust-free dose. If your powder is heavier and requires larger positive pressure, or much lighter, and the pressure needs to be reduced further, you can do so by following these simple steps. Press the foot pedal and at the same time cover the filling gun outlet. Then, pull out the black valve on front of the console and adjust accordingly. Clockwise movement will increase the positive pressure, whereas anti-clockwise movement will reduce the pressure.